Good morning, caterpillars. I am so glad you're joining me again for calendar. We are in April and we have 1 month left after April. We have May and we're going to be in school, and then you guys will get ready for kindergarten already. We have a lot still to learn, so let's get to it. What is the third letter in the word April? First, second, third. What is that letter right there? It is the letter R. Let me make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. The third letter in April is the letter R, and that is right there. There is a lowercase r. Let's count our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is the 7th of April today, and our pattern is AABB. So what comes after the second umbrella? It would be a flower. Good. Let's check. We'll put it out. We're looking. We're searching ahead. Umbrella, umbrella, flower, flower, umbrella, umbrella, flower. What will tomorrow be? Flower. Good job. It has been a very, very beautiful month. I did forget Monday morning when we came to school that it was foggy outside. Those clouds were really, really low. Let's review our letters and sounds. J, ja. Z, z. F, f. D, d. Y, y. T, t. R, N, n. S, s. I, Q, qu. L, O, E, K, k. G, g. A, H, M, C, k. U, W, w. V, v. P, p. B, b. Number 2. Show me with your hands. My numbers. 4. Good job. You guys are quick. 3. 5. 7. 5 and a 2. Or 4 and a 3. Do you see these? You can create those numbers right here. Here's our dice. We can supertize with them. 6. Or 3 and a 3. 8. 4 and a 4 is 8. Or 5 and a 3 is 8. And 10. Last number. Number 9. 1 less than 10 is 9. Match these beginning sounds together. My plants need to find the same beginning sound, so I have hippo. What else starts with the same sound as hippo? Happy or jump? Hippo, happy. Have the same beginning sound. All right, let's do the ends with a x, ends with a x. So that means the end of the sound, like in box. What has the same ending sound as box? Is it a fan or fix? It is fox, box, and fix. What sound do you hear at the end? A x. Good work. You do. Numbers. What number is hiding right here? 10. Good job. You saw 9 and knew that 10 came after. All right, what comes after 10 then? 11, a 1 and a 1. 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, I changed these around a little bit. Supertizing bugs. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. How many do you see? 3. How many bees do you see? Just 1. Good. How many bees do you see here? 2. All right, take a look. I've got 5 bees. Here's my number 5 up on top. There's our number 5. How many bees are outside of the hive? I see 4. Okay, so how many bees then would be inside? 4, 5. How many bees would be inside? 4 and what is 5? 4 and 1 makes 5. 4 and 1 makes 5. Good job. So, guys, today I need your help. We're going to be talking about sorting this week in small groups. So I needed your help sorting some animals today. All right. I have my way I want to sort my things today. I have 4 and I have 6. What do you think I put the 4 and the 6 there for? I'm going to be sorting by something that's similar that maybe they have 4 of, and something that's similar that they might have 6 of. It's going to be legs. So I'm going to be looking at all the different animals, and I'm going to be counting their legs. And if they have 4 legs, I'm going to put them in this group. If they have 6 legs, I'm going to put them over there. All right. How about this bee? How many legs does this bee have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6. I'm going to put that over here. A cat. How many legs does a cat have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 4. I'm going to put it here. How about a llama? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4. My bee. Oh, it looks like a beetle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 legs. How about this? Fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 legs also. A bear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Do you guys notice anything about these animals in these groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. My lion has 4. So I sorted my animals by counting their legs today. Now let's look at these animals in here. Do you think there's a way that they're also similar? Man, I can see that all these have wings also. I know that they all fly. So maybe that's something. 6 legs and they fly. All of these walk. They can't fly, can they? But I think something I see also similar is these all have hair. And what I've learned about some insects or bugs, they don't have hair, do they? It's like they have a hard shell, like an exoskeleton around them. All right. So today we sorted objects by 4 and by 6. I decided to count legs just to look at something different. Remember, we can sort by the color of them. We can sort by the shape of them, how they're similar, how they're different. And we can sort by their sizes, if they're big or little. And today, Miss Cochran did it in a different way. All right. Inspector Gadget. Miss Cochran is a detective, and I need your help, my friends. I need to find everything that starts with the letter D. All right, so whisper into your voice like this. If you see something on my page that starts with the letter D, don't yell it out right now because I want to know that you're ready. I'm going to call on you, or I'm going to hear you, and you can, at the end, you can tell me something. All right. Well, listen as I say my objects. So it looks like dragon, kangaroo, dog, train, wagon, dollars, dig. Those are things that start with D. All right. Blow it in your hand if you heard something that made the d, d, d sound. D makes a d, d, d. Ooh, I heard it. Okay. Dragon, good. What else? Dog, good job. Ooh, dollars. We don't want to forget those. Dollars. What about wagon? Dig. Good. I don't want to forget that, especially all this spring. We're going to be talking about digging. I have dig, dragon, dollar, dog. Can you draw me something or create something else that begins with the letter D, with that D, D, D sound? Think hard. Dog. Dragon. D, 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 dig. D, 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 dragon fruit. Can you think of something else that starts with the letter D? All right, upload your picture here, draw it for me, and then I will see y'all later. Great work today. Bye.